How to enable or disable repeat callers to get through during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and tap on notifications. Then scroll down again and tap on Do Not Disturb. From here, we go down, then tap on calls and messages. Next, tap on repeat callers. Tap on the toggle to turn this on. This will essentially allow anyone to get through to you when they keep repeating the calls within 15 minutes. So here's the allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen.